Despite having a reputation far and wide as the river of no return, 12 disabled veterans returned to float down the Salmon River. They participated in the McCall American Legion Post 119 float trip.
I found some elk.
Don't mind me, I'm
Poor reliance.
Oh yeah. We're in a field goal or
Oh yeah!
The central focus of this program is to say thank you and to give back to the veterans who have given so much to their country. Another objective of the program is to instill confidence in these veterans through improved self-esteem. As the vets' river rafting skills improve, they bond together into a cohesive group and they look out for one another on the river. About 35 volunteers provided the necessary support required for the trip. This included Lightning Creek, who supplied all the necessary equipment and guides and technical expertise to ensure a safe journey. In addition to our volunteers, we have a group of contributors whose donations make this program possible.
Seeing all the vets and have an opportunity to laugh, cracking jokes about the different services.
Yeah.
So you come up here and it's a whole new set of laughter with the same set of memories, and it's just awesome.
And I know you said you saw an eagle.
Yes.
That was beautiful.
The butterflies have been great. Lots of butterflies. And we saw a lot of animals yesterday.
When asked about the program's success, one of the veterans, Matt Matson, commented, "This weekend has been the single most rewarding weekend of my civilian life. The opportunity to meet these great people and make such great friends has already improved my overall outlook on life."
I told them I needed more time in the ladies' room, and